Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
It was playtime!
It's garden wee time for you.
Come on, Waffle.
Coming.
Right, that's it.
But because we were so excited, somebody accidentally trod on Waffle's paw.
Ow!
Waffle!
Can you give Waffle some space, please? Give Waffle some space.
Hurt paw.
Poodles, can you please go and sit down on the carpet?
Ouch.
Mr. O'Donnell, could you please get a first aider to come to poodle class?
Listen, everyone be careful with Waffle.
Did someone tread on your paw, Waffle?
Yes. Oh, tread paw. Ouch. Oh.
See, this is why we all need to be sensible and take care, especially around our smaller pupils.
Yeah.
Right. Poodles, I'd like you all to line up again now, quietly and nicely. Leia, could you please lead?
Miss Benton, can I stay in with Waffle?
Yes, you can. Waffle, you need to stay here until the first aider has examined your paw, OK?
Okay.
Right, stand back. They come. Right, fully trained first aider coming through. Very good.
You can go to playtime now. That's it, guys.
Miss Barrington, now, because Mr. Metcalf is busy, I shall be your first aider. Now, where is my casualty?
He's here. It's Waffle, Mr. Nolan. He's unfortunately had his paw stepped on.
Hello, Mr. No-No.
Well, there's a problem.
What?
Problem?
I'm trained to do first aid for humans.
Humans?
Not dogs.
Pardon?
Not dogs. This is a job for a vet.
Oh.
Oh my. Morning, everyone. Morning,
Oh, vet!
Waffle.
Thank you, Mrs. Brooklyn Bell, for coming so, well, quickly.
It's all right, I was only round the corner, so no sweat.
Waffle?
Actually, there's a little bit of sweat. I did run.
Me too.
Me through.
Hi. Right.
Well, it seems that word of your injury has spread, Waffle. So I'll leave you to the doggy first aid expert while I put this little first aid kit safely away.
Thank you, Mr. Nolan. Right, Waffle. Here, Simon. Let's have a look. Good boy. Give me that paw then. Right. I'm just going to bandage it up so that it's more comfortable for you to walk on, Waffle.
For playtime?
No, Waffle. You need to rest your paw.
I know.
Help.
I'll look after you when we get home, Waffle.
Thanks, Evie.
Evie, aren't you going to Anaya's house today?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Will you look after him?
Sure.
Of course we will.
Of course, we all will. Look at that, Waffle. You're done.
Thanks,
Right.
Mum.
Miss Berrington, would you make sure that our Wonderdog rests his poorly paw until the end of the day?
Yes, Mr. Brooklyn Bell.
Right, time to go back to our classrooms, Doug. Bye. Playtime's over.
Oh, OK. Come on then, Waffle. Now, Poodles, before we do our next activity, I want you all to practice lining up by the door with Waffle. But from now on, I want Waffle to always go first. Smallest at the front, so that you can avoid ever stepping on his paws accidentally again. Then you, Leia. Yeah.
You really do bring out the best in your classmates, Waffle.
Miss Barrington, Mr. Nolan, I'm going to go back to my vet surgery now.
In you go, children. Thank you, Mrs.
work
Brooklyn Bell.
tables.
Well, we wouldn't have been able to look after our new doggy pupil if it wasn't for you.
Yeah. Well, actually, maybe you could, because seeing as Waffle's now a pupil at the school, I really feel like you need a dog first aid kit and someone really needs to know how to use it.
It's very true. I'd be keen.
Oh, well then, I'll make you up a dog first aid kit and I'll teach you how to use it. Just come by my house, okay? Maybe like 5 o'clock-ish, something like that. See you then. Bye.
Okay, all right.
Waffle, I made you something. Since you bruised your paw today, press any of these buttons with your good paw if you need us to entertain you. He pressed the Waffle Doggy Dance button.
Right, wait there, Waffle. Jess,
Okay.
it's time for family doggy dancing.
Gotcha, coming.
Family dog dancing, doggy dancing.
Right, doggy dance time, Waffle.
Oh, what does that bell mean?
Door!
Oh,
Good afternoon, Brooklyn Bells. Was I supposed to be in fancy dress?
no, Mr. Nolan, it's just something that we do as a family. I've got a spare doggy costume, actually, if you'd like to get involved.
No, thank you, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. I'm far too excited to see the new dog first aid kit.
It's all ready for you, Mr. Nolan.
Hello, Mr. No-No.
Oh, hello, Waffle. How's your paw?
Okay. Thanks.
Yes, well, from now on, Summersby School will have its own dog first aid kit to fix any accidents that happen to you when you're with us.
Oh.
We even put a dog paw sticker on it, so everyone knows it's for dogs. Inside, we have dog eye wash, some tweezers for getting splinters out of doggy paws.
Excellent.
We have a warm blanket and different types of doggy bandages.
But while I'm particularly keen to learn how to bandage a hurt paw.
Well, I can teach you, Mr. Nolan, but someone's going to have to pretend to be the dog.
Oh, I'll do it.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, sorry, that whistle means I need to go and sing to Waffle. Excuse me, Mr.
I'll
Nolan.
sing too.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Mr. Nolan, I can practice on you, actually. Come on, sit down. Okay. Pour out, please. Good boy. Sorry. Mr. Nolan. Okay, so I always begin starting from the bottom of the paw, so just watch really carefully, Mr. Nolan, so you know how to do it later. All the way out.
Very good.
There we go, and stick it down. Perfect. Well, that's your front paw done. Let's do one on your back paws. You're going to be a lot more comfortable lying on the floor, Mr. Nolan. Yeah, sure.
If you say so, Bet.
Waffle doggy, you're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
Oh, yes! Mr. Nolan now knows how to bandage a dog.
Bandage. Mr. No-No Bay.
Look, come and have a look at yourself. I'll take you to a mirror.
You look like an ancient Egyptian mummy from one of my books, Mr. Nolan.
Wait till you see yourself.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, very good. Mummy.
You're in. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, will you all be at home on Saturday? I'll have some exciting neighbour news to share then.
Oh, yeah, I think we will be home on Saturday. Yes, Mrs. Hobbs.
There's an ancient Egyptian mummy in your house.
Oh, no, Mrs. Hobbs, it's just the head teacher, Mr. Nolan.
I agree, Mrs. Hobbs. He does look like a
Perhaps
mummy.
we should remove these bandages.
Oh, yes, of course. Follow me. Right, you're going to need some help, Simon.
Yes, I'll help, yes, of course.
Would you get the first aid kit ready for Mr. Nolan?
Yeah,
Take this
okay.
off first, Mr. Nolan. Oh, sorry. Oh. That's sorted. There you go. Lovely. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's the way. Yes, spin around. Yep.
Reuse these for my next demonstration.
Keep spinning. That's it. Yeah. Whoa. There we go. All right. Are you okay, Mr. Nolan?
Yes.
I'll see you out, Mr. Nolan.
Thank you.
So that was how my school got its doggy first aid kit.
See you in the morning, Mr. Nolan.
Bye. Bye.
All thanks to Waffle's poorly paw.